Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits related to the topics parts of speech, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, phrasal verbs, adverbs, and types of adverbs from the English grammar. Choose the grammatically correct sentence from the given. Answer: one should do one's duty. These are primary auxiliaries except dash. Answer: will forms. Sentence A: teacher as well as student are making a noise. B. Sentence B: students with their teacher plan a trip. The correct sentence is B. Students with their teacher plan a trip. Choose the suffix that can be used to make the past form of the verb learn. Answer: T. One of the pupils in our class dash a car. Choose the correct form of verb that fits the blank. Answer: owns. Raman dashed to the Royal Society of London in 1924. Choose the correct form of verb that fits the blank. Answer: was elected. Fill with blank with modal auxiliaries. You dash tell the police the truth. Answer: must. My parents dash gone above and beyond for me. Answer: have gone. Identify the ordinary verb. Does he dash milk? Answer: have. The radio has dash about the cyclone. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits the blank. Answer: announced. If we finish our work quickly, we can go to the movies. Answer: adverb. Identify the correct word. You are wasting a lot of time watching TV. You dash concentrate your studies. Answer: must. What prefix you use to make honest its opposite? Answer: dishonest. What is uses of dictionary? Answer all the above. Shows us the different parts of speech of a word, tells us how a word is pronounced, and a dictionary tells us what a word means. Complete the sentences with noun phrases using the words given in brackets. I bought dash. Answer a beautiful red umbrella. Complete the sentences with noun phrases using the words given in brackets. Swapna has dash. Answer a nice silk saree. She saw a bald, fat, middle dash aged man. Underline words is dash. Answer adjective. He was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his dash in no time. Fill in the blanks with the suitable noun form of the underlined word. Answer shock. He pretended to look relieved, but in fact, he did not have any dash. Fill in the blanks with the suitable noun form of the underlined word. Answer relief. I can understand your dash, but do not be so excited that you have health problems. Fill in the blanks with the suitable noun form of the underlined word. Answer excitement. Ravi, an auto driver, was very honest. His dash was known to everybody when he returned the bag of jewelry a passenger had left in his auto. Fill in the blank with the suitable noun form of the underlined word. Answer honesty. Sugarcane is a dash. Answer compound noun. Choose the suffix that suits the word enjoyed to form a noun. Answer MENT, enjoyment. Choose the suffix that suits the word worried to form a noun. Answer Y, worry. Noun form of surprised is dash. Answer surprise. Choose the suffix that suits the word satisfied to form a noun. Answer ATION, satisfaction. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as adjectives and adverbs. Sriram speaks dash English. He speaks English dash. Answer correct and correctly. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as adjectives and adverbs. Salim is a dash tailor. He makes dresses dash. Answer careless and carelessly. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as adjectives and adverbs. You always speak dash. Please speak dash. Answer loudly, quietly. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in the brackets. They can be used both as adjectives and adverbs. Be dash and do your homework dash. Answers careful and correctly. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.